हेलो गाइस, आपको कैसो ख्वाजा एजुकेशनल वर्ल्ड चैनल के अंदर खुशामदीद करते हैं। We are welcoming our channel कैसो ख्वाजा एजुकेशनल वर्ल्ड. We wish to share with you today that how we download and activate Windows 11 from official website. तो आइए चलते हैं हम गूगल पर और हम क्या सर्च करेंगे, Windows 11 Pro Disk Image ISO फाइल, क्योंकि हम ये स्टैंड अलोन डाउनलोड करना चाह रहे हैं ISO फाइल, इसलिए हमने ये सर्च करा। क्लिक ऑन डाउनलोड Windows 11. So this is the official website from which we download Windows 11, and the current release from the official website is 2025 update version is 25H2. So how we download? If you click on this download button, the media creation will be downloaded. So we wish to try to download directly ISO file. So go down and download ISO disk image file. So select Windows 11 and confirm. When you confirm, they ask the product language. So we select English United States and confirm. When you confirm, then the download button will be visible for Windows 11 English. 64-bit download. So you can see Windows 11 25H2 English version 64 is ready to download. We have IDM, and if you don't have IDM, we have a videos to show how to download IDM and freeze the trial version. Start download. So guys, this is the short video to show how to download Windows 11 from the official website Microsoft. You do not need to go anywhere, any third party to download Windows ISO image file. You can download from the official website, authentic website. So guys, अगर आपको हमारी वीडियोस पसंद आ रही हो, if you like our videos, so subscribe our channel, share our videos. Take yourself. Allah Hafiz.